If you are dreaming about starting your English language learning journey, as well as if you want to speak English from the very first day of your learning journey, then this video is going to help you. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about how I started speaking English without indulging myself into learning grammatical concepts as well as without knowing so many words. So, if you are so eager to know about this, then try to stick to this video till the very end. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great, and this is Yashoda. Welcome you all. And friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you a particular way which I used to start speaking English from the very first day of my English language learning journey. When it comes to learn English language, then we take this thing as a subject. We take English language, we always consider English language as a subject, and then only one thought comes in a mind. Okay, I have to learn English language. It means I have to first work on all the grammatical concepts, then I'll be able to speak English language. If you are the one who's also having this thought in your mind, so I would say it's only your myth. This is not the right approach to learn English language. I'm going to tell you what I followed, the right approach which I have done so far, and without knowing, despite not knowing so many things, how I started speaking English. How I started speaking English, how I started creating video just after 15 days. Okay, so let me tell you, friends, as all of us we already know, how does a child learn a language? How? Just by creating an environment. Because if I were born in Punjab, then I would definitely speak Punjabi. If I would born in UK, so definitely I would be speaking foreign languages. But as per the environment where I used to live and where I currently live, so I know all those languages. Like know how to speak Hindi, then Punjabi, because I spent my life's 20 years over there, and then my own mother tongue. And just because of it's been 2 years, I have been working on English language or my communication skill. So I can also speak English language. And the result is before you. I don't need to mention it. I don't need to prove it. Okay? Because the proof is already there. So, how I did all those things? How did I learn all these languages? Let me tell you, friends, there is only one and genuine way to learn, an authentic way to learn English language. Any languages. It's not only about English. When it comes to learn any language, then only one thing helps us. That is listening practice. The more you listen, the more things you are going to observe, and the more words are you going to come across, and then you are going to be able to speak as a child. As a child learns then speaks. In the same way we have to do it. So what I would like to tell you, I want you to start doing listening practice from the very first day of your English language learning journey. I'm not saying that you don't have to learn any grammar rule. No, I just want you to learn only tenses and modals. That's it. And then leave everything about grammar rule. Just start indulging yourself into listening to different content, as well as listening to different speakers. And in the very beginning, you must follow only simple videos like cartoon animated videos, story videos. Okay, now let me tell you how I used to do speaking practice without anyone, because I had no environment. There was no one to speak with me. Still, there is no one to speak with me. So, how I used to make videos. So, I'm going to reveal that secret. Friends, what I used to do each and every single day, I used to watch these type of videos: how to master English language, how to speak English fluently, how can become confident speaker, how can we overcome our mistakes. These type of videos I used to listen because I was working on my English journey. So it was my compulsion to listen all these type of videos. But what I used to do, I was not only limited or bound to only just watching. No, after watching, I used to shoot my videos. Whatever I would listen, what was there in my mind just by watching those videos, I would speak. Okay, always after listening to that video 2 or 3 times, I used to have a smartphone. I used to put that smartphone in front of me, and then because there was no mirror, no big mirror, so I used to use my phone to do my speaking practice. Because it's speaking is the significant part of speaking fluent English language. If you want to speak English fluently, then you are supposed to speak from the very first day. And then while speaking, I know that while speaking, I used to make lots of mistakes. While speaking, I was not able to elaborate my thoughts perfectly. However, I did it. I did it each and every single day, and this thing has helped me to make my mouth, to make my jaw and tongue habitual to English language. And now it's not so much difficult for me to speak English language, and I don't feel like that I'm putting so much effort while speaking English language. Whenever I try to speak, I speak in a flow. To be honest, friend, this is the only one and only way that you should apply. Okay, let me give you another example. If you want to start speaking from the very first day, so I know that you are a learner who knows some things like some words or some sentences or some tenses. At least what are the past, present, future, and then now you have to do your speaking practice. So I would suggest you just go on YouTube, search a video, very simple video that we have already read in our school days, like Hare and Tortoise and the Thirsty Crow, okay, the Greedy Fox. You just search these type of videos and then just watch those videos. First time you just watch, simply watch that video. Second time you just do imitating imitation, means shadowing practice. I'm not saying that you have to totally follow, totally copy. No, you have to just speak. Just play the video, then pause the video, then play the video, then pause the video, and speak after that video. This thing will help you to speak the full sentences. Okay, and after that, then the third time, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to again do imitation practice as well as reading practice. Means whatever is there in the caption, you have to read it out loud, and then after that, after pausing that video, you have to speak. And then the last part of your this practice is have your phone, just put your phone in front of you wherever you want, and just click on that button and start recording yourself. Whatever is coming in your mind, just speak it out loud. Like, once there was a crow, it was so thirsty. Like, once there was a crow and it was so thirsty because it was hot summer day, so he wanted to drink water, okay, but it couldn't find water anywhere. And then in the last, it found a pot in a forest, and in when the crow went to that pot, so there was some water in that pot. The crow tried to drink water, but it couldn't because there was very less water. So what he tried, he found some stones and pebbles were there, and the crow started putting all the stones into that pot, and within no minutes, within few seconds, the water level arised, and then it drank water, and then the crow quenched its thirst, and in this way his dream fulfilled. And in this way he could drink water, and all and in this way it could drink water. So the moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. So, how I narrated, very simple way. I'm not asking you to speak same to same. No, we don't need to cram everything. We don't need to memorize anything. No, we have to just understand. We have to just observe. Okay, and this is the only thing that you have to do each and every single day. Try to select only one video as per your interest. It could be anyone. If you are fond of watching news, then select a news and watch that news at least 2, 3, 4, 5 times as per your capacity, okay, as much as you can, and then try to speak about that news. Try to speak about a video that you have just watched. And then if you will keep doing it consistently without skipping even a single day, then you will master this language. And without engrossing yourself, without immersing yourself into learning grammatical concepts, you would be able to speak sentences correctly and precisely. And this is the thing that we want. We want to speak English from the very first day. Then why don't you start doing from the very first day? And that's why never ever think about, oh my god, what if I make mistakes? Mistakes are going to be happened. This is part of our learning. Why should we only run away from those mistakes? We have to acknowledge the level. We have to embrace the mistakes. We have to learn from our mistakes. There should be only one thing in your mind, that okay, I'm ready to make mistakes, but I'm also ready to learn from my all those mistakes. So if you make any mistakes, then ChatGPT is over there and Gemini is over there, and there's so many grammatical videos are available on YouTube. All these videos are there to make you understand about any grammatical concepts. But what is more important for you is speaking. Start speaking. If you speak broken English, okay, you have to broken. There's no need to worry at all. Okay, and this thing I followed, and it's been 2 years. 2 years has been completed, and now I'm so happy that I can express my thought before anyone without thinking a lot, without being able to. And I would say, despite not knowing all these grammatical concepts, if I can speak this language, if living in a village, then why can't you? I have so much hectic schedule. Still, I spare some time. Still, I want to steal some time from my daily schedule routine to dedicate to this English language, because I I am so passionate. I'm so determined to learn this language. And I would say you have to follow only this thing each and every single day. One video can make you fluent in English language. One video will help you to work on all four aspects. Just by listening, you can work on your listening practice. Just by reading the subtitles, you can work on your reading. Or when it comes to writing, then you can write that story. And in the last, then you can speak about that story. Okay, and I think now you got my idea what I want you to deliver, what I wanted you to deliver, and we will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning and keep enjoying this journey. This life is so beautiful. Okay, don't try to make it so harsh for you. Bye bye.